on Morse code? 38 years. Only 3 years in January. Okay. We're going to give each team a card with the same sentence on it. Who do you think will be the fastest to get the message? Text messaging. You think text messaging? Oh, yeah. Morse code. How old is Morse code? 170 years. Okay. All right, gentlemen, let's sit down at our desks. Okay. Now, in front of you is a card. Don't turn it over just yet. They both have the same sentence on it. When I say ready, set, go, when I say go, flip over your card and send a message to your partner at the other desk. Okay? Ready, set, go! Yell out as soon as you have the message, and then read me the message. You can hear the Morse code. Can you hear it? Yes, I can. Very exciting. It's less exciting, more goes on. Let's see who is faster.
I just saved a bunch of money on my card.
That is the message you sent, okay? Very good. Ben and Jason, I'm sorry you're being my told technology.
Amy, are you there? Hello? Amy?
Da-da-da-da, 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 da-da-da, da-da, da, da-da-da-da, da-da, da-da-da-da, 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 da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da, da, da-da-da-da, da-da,
Touch your face, meet me at the bridge. Stop sending messages. Stop sending messages. We've been.
Over the outdoor.
J'aimerais juste donner un petit crédit du son. La chanson a été écrite et chantée par un ami à moi qui s'appelle Nicolette Corcoran. Et c'est elle qui a fait la composition musicale à l'avance avant que je vienne ici et j'ai pu l'utiliser dans le montage. Le reste c'est YouTube.